the 2025 Renault Duster has finally arrived, and it's bringing back the rugged charm it's known for, but with major updates that reflect its evolution. Whether you're a fan of the older models or you're looking for a compact SUV that strikes a balance between capability, style, and affordability, the new Duster is worth a close look. Let's start with what's under the hood. The early models of the 2025 Duster are offered with a variety of powertrains, including a 1.2-litre turbocharged petrol engine, a 1.5-litre diesel engine, and for the first time in the Duster range, a hybrid option combining a 1.6-litre petrol with an electric motor. The base petrol engine churns out about 130 horsepower, while the diesel offers more torque, ideal for off-roading and hauling. The hybrid variant pushes up to 140 horsepower and offers better mileage, thanks to regenerative braking and improved fuel economy. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a CVT automatic, depending on the trim. Renault claims the manual option still remains the favorite for off-road enthusiasts, especially paired with the AWD drivetrain, which remains available on the mid and top-end variants. Moving to the exterior design, the 2025 model gets a complete refresh while still keeping the Duster DNA alive. You'll immediately notice the bold, angular design inspired by the Duster Bigster concept. It features wire-shaped LED DRLs, a wider grille with honeycomb accents, and sharper body lines that enhance its muscular stance. The ground clearance stands at 210 mm, still one of the highest in its segment, and it rides on new 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels, depending on the variant. Inside the cabin, Renault has made massive improvements. The early models feature a much more premium interior compared to their predecessors. There's a new 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, and soft touch materials on the dashboard. The cabin layout is driver-focused, with easily accessible controls and a raised gear lever for a sportier feel. Top variants also come with automatic climate control, wireless phone charging, and a panoramic sunroof, something new to the Duster family. Passenger comfort has been a key area of improvement. The rear seats now offer better cushioning, enhanced legroom, and dedicated AC vents in higher trims. Boot space comes in at around 470 litres, which is competitive for its segment and still allows plenty of room for your weekend adventures. Safety features have seen a major boost. The early 2025 models come equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill start assist, a 360-degree camera, and front and rear parking sensors. The top variants also include adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, part of Renault's new driver assistance package. Now, let's talk pricing. As of the latest update, the early model pricing for the 2025 Renault Duster starts at approximately $19,000 for the base petrol variant. The mid-range diesel with AWD comes in around $23,000, and the top-end hybrid model with all the bells and whistles is priced close to $27,000. These are early launch prices and may vary slightly depending on the region, taxes, and optional features. Renault is clearly aiming to make the Duster relevant in a highly competitive compact SUV market. With improved features, better safety, and optional hybrid power, it's no longer just a budget SUV, it's a serious contender. For those who love the original Duster for its simplicity and durability, this 2025 version keeps that rugged character but brings it into the modern age with style and substance. It's a balanced mix of practicality, off-road capability, and urban sophistication, making it one of the most versatile SUVs in its class today. If you're considering a new SUV in 2025, the Renault Duster definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or heading into the mountains, this latest version promises to handle both with ease and comfort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and auto updates.